Today we're going to be teaching about noun. A noun is the name of a person, animal, place, or thing. Same in Igbo language. A noun is the name of a person, aha mmadụ, the name of a place, aha Igbo, the name of a thing, aha Igbo. Today we're going to be teaching about the name of things, aha Igbo.
Yes, names of things. When I say a word in English language, give me the name in Igbo language. Star. Yes, star is Kpakpando. Kpakpando. Star in heaven is called Kpakpando. Star in the sky, Kpakpando. Sun. Maọbụ sun is anwụ or anyanwụ. Moon, ọnwa. They're good. Month, ọnwa too. In Igbo language, you have homonyms, just like we have in English language. Homonyms are words that sound the same, but they mean different things. Ọnwa means moon and also means month in Igbo language. Spoon, knife, basket, bowl, plate, flat plate, soup, swallow, pot, salt, mortar, pestle, cup, iko cup, iko, broom, palm oil, pepper, fridge, njuoyi, air conditioner, njuoyi. My people, today we are going to stop here. Next time we'll give you better episode. Ndị be anyị, ntata anyị ga-adọbiri ya ebe a n'ụbọchị nta ka anyị chọọ ọnụ n'Owere nchi. Ndewono.